Take out the device and all the accessories. Install the accessories right on the device with a screwdriver. Install the laser pads wax on the two sides of the device, 4 wax per side. Install the 3 big bags one by one, then install the small bag. There's 1 slot on each right buckle. There are big and small white rubber rings for replacement of rings and filter. Take off the filter. There's a small rubber ring to be replaced. Twist off the filter. There's a big rubber ring to be replaced. Insert filter tightly in the white garbage. Your bolt loose or wrong installation. There are 2 spare fuses for the replacement. Take out fuse with the screwdriver. Replace it with the spare fuse. Install the power cord. The black rubber rings are the replacement of rings at connection of the vacuum and off handle. If the rings are broken and make handle have no section, the rings can be replaced. Install the facial vacuum and off handle. Install the body vacuum and off handle. Install EMS and EO handle. Insert connection wire and tighten it. Install 40,000 and off handle. Insert connection wire and tighten it. Install the 2 small laser pads and tighten it. Install the big laser pads and tighten it. Place the handles and laser pads and the corresponding bag. Check all the handles and connect power cord. Press the power button to start. You can see the handles selection interface after turning on the device.